These are 3 buttons control 3 belt speeds separately. Recommend the front belt speed slower than the rear 2 belts. Please check this arrow. The front belt turn to 5. The rear 2 belt speed need faster than front belt. Then turn to 6 and 7. If empty banding, then need new rolling tape. After finish rolling tape, then it can work. If meet tape blockage, check touchscreen. Click Auto Banding Model to Manual. Open the sliding plate. Open lifting plate. Pulling from side. If front cannot pull out and rear side cannot pull out, click Manual Backward Tape on touchscreen. Pull while click. Cut the tape. Restore touchscreen. Then new rolling tape. If banding not centered. For example, this banding tape at rear position. How to adjust banding at center. Adjust the rear sensor. Loosen the screws and move forward. Move forward to a suitable position. The light is green when no sensor. The light is red when trigger. The sensor is correlation, now it is adjust well. No trigger, the light is off. Now it is banding at center.